Hello guys, it's Cubing Guru here, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review new YJ timer. I got this timer for 899 rupees, and the main reason I bought this timer is we can connect this timer to PC. Till now the cheapest timer is QJ timer. Its price was around 799 rupees on Cubelelo, but it was not that good. I also use that timer, but its button stopped function after few months. I repaired the buttons of my QJ timer many times, but it still stopped working after few months. And our box is open now. Here is the invoice on which 899 rupees price is written, and this is our main timer. Nothing much is written on box except its price and YJ timer black. In box we get nothing except the timer, which they will start providing 2.5mm cable to connect the timer to PC, as 2.5mm cable is not easily available in the market. They given 3 buttons on the back side, and this is 2.5mm jack to connect the timer to PC, and this is for reset I think. So let me check batteries required for this timer, and this required 2 AAA size batteries, which is very good because AAA size batteries are easily available. Batteries are not provided with this timer, so we have to buy batteries separately. So this button is for on off. Then this button is for reset I think. Yes, it's for reset. And I don't know what the purpose of these 2 buttons. So let me check if they have given manual or not. So yes, they have given manual, but it's in Chinese language, so I have to translate this, or I have to figure out myself. So I use this timer for 2 days, and then I come to know that this button is for on off, second button is for save the time, and third button is to see that time. So you can see 3 times 1 2 3. You can see 3 save times, and the fourth button is for on off. Fourth button is for reset. So you can reset the salt using this button. And here is 2.5mm jack. So using this jack you can connect this timer to display or the PC. Talking about look, I like the look of this timer, but some Cubers says this timer look weird, but I didn't think that. So there are 5 timers in the market available right now. So the best one is G4 StackMat, but its cost is too high, so it comes around 3000 rupees. And second one is Yuxin V2. It's also mid-range timer, but it comes for 1600 rupees. So 1600 is also too much for the timer. And in budget timer we have 3 timers. So first one is QJ. So lots of people using QJ timer, but it's not that good. Like its lights are irritating, its look is not that good, and also its button stop working after some days, and we can't connect QJ timer to PC. Same with Moyu timer. Moyu timer looks better than QJ, but its price is high, more than 1000 rupees on Cubelelo, and we can't connect Moyu timer to PC, although we have the option in CS timer, but we can't connect Moyu timer. So in budget timer this is the best option, and the most important thing I like in this timer is its plastic. Its plastic is very soft. When we touch the timer to stop the time, then we feel like we are touching rubber. So its matte finishing gives us a rubber like feeling. So its plastic is very soft. That's the best thing I like about this timer.